Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. Mary Kurian, Head of the Department of BCom CA. We are really proud to introduce our open course paper, Fundamentals of Banking and Insurance, before the UG students of LMM. First of all, I would like to bring your attention to the benefits of this course. It offers very pragmatic approach to learning things around us, and it will definitely help you to set a better level of qualification. And if you want to grow fast in your career and ready to accept challenges, you will definitely love this course. Then what is banking? This banking and industry that handles cash, credit, and other financial transactions. It provides safe place to store extra cash and credit. And banking is one of the key drivers of the economy. Banking plays an important role in the capital formation of the country and helps in the growth process. In a developing country like India, bank plays an important part of suppliers of money. And what are the basic functions of banking? Definitely, that is accepting deposits and providing loans and advances to needy traders, manufacturers, and agriculturists. And I would like to say that you don't need to go anywhere to know about the system of banking in India. We can definitely help you to know more. And next, interesting facts about insurance in India. Insurance is a financial product. It is sold by insurance companies. The purpose is to safeguard you and your property against the risk of loss, damage, or theft, such as flooding, burglary, or an accident. And insurance assures if something unexpected does happen, that is covered by your policy. It means you won't have to pay the full cost of a loss. But the thing is that you should know what is the world of insurance. Look, this is the opportunity to learn more about insurance. And these are the highlights of banking. That is, we are going to study introduction to banking, origin, structure, types of banks, functions of commercial banks, credit creation, then something or all thing about Reserve Bank of India, then functions of Reserve Bank of India, and banking practices, banking customer relationship between banker and customer, check and essentials of a valid check, opening and operation of accounts by special type of customers. Then innovation, innovative banking, social banking, e-banking, mobile banking, internet banking, credit and debit cards, ombudsman scheme. And the highlights of insurance are insurance, evolution of insurance, role and importance of insurance, insurance as a contract, principles of insurance, insurance and assurance, as well as types of insurance. These are the main types of insurance. So future scopes of this course is probationary. You can become a probationary officer, financial service representatives, financial officers, audit clerks, development officer, insurance company actuaries, and investment professionals. That's all. Welcome to our open course. Thank you.